car. 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 convertible. Real deal XR7. 351 underneath the hood. Automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician noted the AC compressor does kick on and off, may need to be charged. A little cold though, or a little TLC on the AC. Take a look at the front. Headlight surrounds, grille, bumper. This has had a repaint. Was originally a goldenrod, light goldenrod colored car. I'd call it kind of a mocha now, I guess, if you will. Kind of cool color. And also remember, with the purchase of this vehicle, a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan will be included. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call us at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. As you can see, riding on American Racing. Polished wheels. Saddle colored vinyl interior. Of course, bucket seats up front, center console with that automatic shifter. Power window car. According to the buck tag, original factory 8-track car. Power top, and we're going to run that up at the end of the video and check that out also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. So we get a look at the iconic Mercury rear taillights, rear chrome, dual exhaust. Looks like a new convertible top cover, or parade boot, depending on what you want to call it. uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there as we take a peek down the driver's side. So you can see the paint shows well. Yeah, there maybe a touch up here or there, imperfection, but overall shows well. It's nice shine to it. Get in and drive this one. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows, maybe just that Sunday ice cream car. Now, interior does show its age a little bit on the vinyl, obviously with the convertible. Seats, though, looking good. Belt still intact. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run too. Check out that engine bay. Let's go ahead and do that. We'll check out that top and wrap this video up. Did have the wipers working, radio working. Again, AC compressor kicks on and off. Of course, power top switch down here. Windshield wipers do work. Lower fan, of course, works. I'm going to turn that off. And a little peek at the top of the dash in this one. A few fine cracks. Smooth running 351 though. Slip around to the back. So it closes nicely. There you get an idea how it sounds. Nothing crazy. And a slip up to the front. Let me go ahead and get this hood open, check out that engine bay, get the top up, and wrap this video up. There's the underside of the hood. There it is. Newer Edelbrock intake manifold, as well as Edelbrock 4-barrel carb. It's like a K&N air filter on there. Battery disconnect, and again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Sounds good. Smooth runner. All right, let me get this convertible top up. We'll check that out. And the top up. Brown fabric. Nice tight fit above the windshield. Showing a little wear right there, but no hole or rip or tear or anything. If you need it to keep you out of the sun or out of a garden variety shower or something, it's gonna serve the purpose. No doubt about that. Guessing the majority of the time, it would be down and enjoying a little summer convertible ride. 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7 convertible, the real deal. Remember, it comes with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan that may be extendable. Up to 10 years. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1973 Mercury Cougar XR7, and this is a convertible. There's a little bit of snow left in Minnesota, but the roads are dry today, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. I hear the left turn signal indicator. I don't see it. Let's get up to speed. Good acceleration. Great running car. Idle's great. Goes nice and straight down the road. It's a smooth ride. I'm not feeling any pulls or any shakes. This is a convertible top. The seals are making a little bit of wind noise. Speedometer works. Tachometer. The factory tachometer works. The fuel gauge is reading just under half. The temperature is reading cold. That might be accurate, but I would think it would be warming up a little bit by now. Factory amp gauge is reading just barely on the positive side of half. Factory oil pressure is reading about 60 psi, which is really good. The radio does work. Blower motor does work. This is an automatic on the center console, nice and low and up front. We've got power windows. Really good running 1973 Mercury Cougar. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Go Pro.